It is going to be very warm tomorrow, but that is going to fuel severe thunderstorms. Our ongoing forecast, that time frame of noon to 8 p.m., still on target to see widespread thunderstorm activity. With temperatures in the 70s and a humid and warm air mass, it'll have that rising air in the field that it wants to rain and storm. And there is a good chance for widespread severe weather along this cold front. That entire orange shaded region from Chicago to Cleveland, northern Michigan, south of the Ohio River, that is going to be a severe weather day across much of the Great Lakes region. Noon to 8 p.m. Let's break down the impacts. Strong straight line winds along that front over 60 miles an hour are possible. The tornado threat is on the lower end of the spectrum. That being said, it is still possible that we see a few tornado warnings, and you can count on us. The WTOL 11 weather team will be live right here and also all of our streaming platforms if that does materialize. Hail up to 1 inch in diameter, roughly the size of a ping pong ball, is also possible and can do some minor damage. Here's that cold front right now. This is draped across well to the west of us, and it's going to move from west to east as we head towards Wednesday. There is a little cluster of thunderstorms pushing in over Lake Michigan. That's headed towards Kalamazoo and Lansing, not expected to impact us. High and dry across the 419 currently. It's going to be a dry night with the chance for morning showers. However, the afternoon is when these thunderstorms are going to fire off. Let's talk timing. If you do see rain tomorrow morning, it is not going to bring us any dangerous weather. It'll just be some garden variety showers and perhaps rumbles of thunder. By lunchtime, though, that's going to change. More organized linear thunderstorm bands develop by the early afternoon. By 2 p.m., kids are getting home from school. The thunderstorms start to pick up steam. This line of storms could pack a punch with strong straight line winds and even a brief spin up tornado. These storms are going to move southeast of the Maumee River in the evening, and by 8 p.m., they are going to be history. If there's any upside to our alert day forecast, this is what radar is going to look like by sunset, and you'll be able to sleep soundly without any weather worries. Again, wind is going to be the biggest threat from noon to 8. The tornado threat is still a possibility, but it's not something we want to scare you about, but we will stay ahead of the storm and keep you updated here, online, and on social media. Now, the good news behind this alert day, bright sun with great weather returns for the weekend. We're looking at a Saturday that'll feature sunny skies and temps near 60. And how about that milder feeling, 66 Sunday. And if you like the spring warmth, we are going to have blue skies and temperatures in the 70s next week. That alert day shaded bright and red. We want to reiterate the noon to 8 p.m. time frame. Nothing but sun through the weekend. Our next chance for April showers comes in Monday. And look at some of those high temperatures by the end of the 10-day forecast. Feeling like spring as temperatures surge to the 70s. And overall, we get a nice break from the stormy and rainy weather.